Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. What we have for sale to here is a big time air compressor. 60 gallon, 3.7 horsepower. It's a big one. I got this in 2017, I think. And I haven't used it in a long time because I don't have 240. Wish I had 240. I'd keep it because I have to paint a car here. But I don't know what stationary means. I'm sure inside this book it'll tell you what stationary means. Let's see what we got in here. To show y'all this, all this stuff in here they got. That everything is all good. Got a little sand in there. Everything is in working order. There's the oil. There's too much light on that. What does that say? It tells you about the oil. Anyway, this for sale. It's yours if you want it. Someone's gonna ask $250 for it. It's July. Oh, it's July. It's June. What the hell? I'm trying to put this light here without killing myself. Blasted light. I said I want $250 for it. I want to use it, but I can't use it. I can't use it, man. I'm in a house right now, and I still can't use it because I don't have 240. I don't have 240 or 220. I don't know what all this stuff is. It just tells you what it's running for. I don't know what that is, but anyway, all these gauges, everything is in working order. I can't test it. I can't test it because I don't have 240. I tried to rig me up a 240 thing with two 120 volts, but it kept tripping inside of the garage because the garage is not, it's on the same phase. All these in the same phase. I don't know what this is. What is this? Certified by Twin Lakes Tanks. It's a big one. Y'all know who these folks are. Y'all know who. If you don't know who Kobalt are, they were with Lowe's, I believe. They were with Lowe's. They were with Lowe's or Home Depot, one or two of them. It's badass. It's badass. Worked fine for me. If you want to just the compressor, all that, everything in there works. Everything works. It works. It's practically new. Practically new. I only use it a few times. I use it to sandblast my car. All that got wiped out some kind of way. There's a serial number on it. It's 2017. That's when I got it. I think I bought it in 2017. I'm not know, but this son bitch is heavy. I tell you that. It is heavy. When I say heavy, this joker weighs some pounds, boy. It's got some weight on it. And it's yours if you want it. If you want it, it's yours. That's $250. Yes, this thing rolls. The engine, it works, man. In fact, I said I wasn't gonna give no guarantee on it, but yeah, man, might as well guarantee it. Yeah, when I say guarantee, I mean you can bring it back if you don't like it. Not like it, but if it doesn't work, you bring it back if it doesn't work. Not if you don't like it. Yeah, I got this extra pressure. This is the connection that it uses. Looks like a regular dryer connection. I couldn't get the bad boy. Anyway, I got all these gauges that I hooked up to it. And everything everything is in working order, guys, man. You go ahead and get this thing. You know you need it for your shop or your house. Hell, I mean, you know, for $250, you can get of course, you can get a brand new small one for $250. But if you really need one that's gonna do the power, do the work for you, you better get a big one. And a big one this one is indeed. All right, Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. For sale. 240 volt, 3.7 horsepower, 60-gallon air compressor, 120-55 max PSI, 13.4 SCFM at 40 pounds PSI. It's a bad boy. It's a bad boy. On-site service available. Made in the USA. Y'all come on and get this thing, man. Do some good. Y'all take it easy. Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, true Phoenix. Talk to y'all later. It's cool, huh?